In this video, we're going to be practicing a variety of exercises that gets us prepared for improvising over the concert B-flat blues progression. Sheet music will be on the screen, but if you would like a copy of the exercises, just click the link in the description box below. These sets of exercises are important for two reasons. The first reason is we're going to be working on our sound because of the long sustained notes. The second reason being that we're going to be isolating the most important notes in each and every chord. So those notes are really the third and the seventh, but we're also going to be playing the root just as a foundation so we know exactly where we are in the form. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. One, two, 1, 2, 3, 4. One, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. Now we're going to alternate between the third and the seventh. This allows us to hear the relationship between each and every chord and how they flow together in a smooth way. So let's start with the third and alternate between the third and the seventh until we finish out the progression. In the next exercise, we're going to start with the seventh and alternate between the seventh and the third. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. One, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's practice the triads. So the 1, the 3, and the 5 of each chord in quarter notes. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. 'Let's practice the 7th chord arpeggios. So the 1, the 3, the 5, and the 7th of each chord in quarter notes. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, There are 6 basic scales that we need to know in order to play this progression. The first scale is our C dominant scale, which is also called the C mixolydian scale, which just uses the same notes as F major. Next is F mixolydian that uses the same notes as our B flat major scale. For that F sharp diminished chord, we're going to use a G harmonic minor scale. But we're going to start on the 7th scale degree. For that A7 chord, we're going to use the A mixolydian scale, which uses the same notes as our D major scale. So our last 2 scales come from our C major scale, which is our D Dorian scale, which is for that D minor 7 chord. And then for our G7 chord, we're going to use a G mixolydian scale. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. One, two, 1, 2, 3, 4. One, two, 1, 2, 3, 4. One, two, 1, 2, 3, 4.